What's up YouTube, Dan Reese here from ZebranoWoodcraft.com. Have you experienced a dip in sales at the start of 2018 in your Etsy shop? If you're anything like me, you might have, but I'm here to show you what to do about it. This is a video I never actually wanted to make because I honestly never thought that it would happen to my shop, but unfortunately it has. I feel like the start of 2018 has been a rough year for a lot of shops on Etsy, but instead of whining and complaining, let's figure some stuff out and let's get to work. In short, here's what we're gonna do. 1. Drink tea. Preferably green tea. That stuff is really good for you. And then we overcome, improve, and endure. Let's start with overcoming. What has actually changed since last year? It's fair to say that the Etsy algorithm itself changed at the end of 2017, and also social media sites like Facebook and Instagram are making it more difficult to reach an audience now without paying for promotions. I've also found that, especially in my niche, it's a much more competitive market now because it seems like everybody and their nan has an Etsy shop. So how can we deal with the algorithm? Well, let's start off by going beast mode on your Etsy SEO. Make sure that your entire profile is filled out. Titles and tags are right up to scratch with niche, long tail keywords. Use those keywords in your shop tagline, your announcement, your shop sections, in your about section, your shop story, and all throughout the description of every item. If you need help with figuring out what tags and keywords to use, then a great tool for you would be Marmalead or even Etsy Rank, which will help you to determine the best keywords for your particular craft. Next, brush up on your copywriting and your photography. I've actually made a video before about how to write product descriptions even if you suck at words, so go and check that out. But there are tons of resources out there on photography for Etsy sellers, so really get those things in line. This next point I feel is really important, as not a lot of Etsy sellers do this, but how about screwing the Etsy algorithm and drive your own content to your Etsy shop? Treat it like your own website. So pump out the content, blog posts, YouTube videos, Facebook videos, mini blogs on every one of your Instagram posts. If you're stuck for things to write about, then there's a website called answerthepublic.com. Go over there, type in your niche keyword or whatever craft that you do, and you'll find a list of popular questions that people ask search engines. Easy peasy, all you have to do is write blog posts and answer them, right? You're an expert. Show everyone. You can even try writing and doing guest posts on other people's blogs or YouTube channels or Facebook pages. And let's not forget to really bump up the frequency of your social media posting. Post an Instagram post twice a day. And don't forget to publish a story every day on Instagram, as they can really drive engagement too. If pumping out the content isn't working for you, then maybe it's time to bite the bullet and advertise. Etsy have just started offering shops the opportunity to do Google product ads. This month I've actually made 4 sales with my ads, totaling about $900 worth of sales for a $300 investment. As soon as you can turn $300 into $900, I think that you're going to be okay. But Google isn't the only place where you can advertise. You can of course promote your listings on Etsy. You can target really niche groups of people on Facebook adverts, and I think that actually if I were to invest in a long advertising campaign, Pinterest would be the place to go. And my final tip for getting more traffic is to run a sale or a promotion. You can do this from directly in Etsy now, so there's no need to do any complicated stuff like going to Etsy on sale. And it seems like the algorithm gives a little bit of preference to items that are on sale, so you'll show up a bit more often in the searches. Okay, overcome, that's covered. Improve. So it's fair to say that the climate is much harsher now on Etsy. It's harder to show up in searches. There are way more competing shops. But wasn't it Einstein who said something along the lines of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results? Or not being able to remember simple quotes and having to use your phone. So ask yourself, how can you improve your Etsy shop and your offering to the Etsy customers? Are there any new products that you could be working on? Any trends that you could exploit? Or are there perhaps any untapped revenue streams in your business, such as running a physical market store or even creating digital products for passive income? And finally, we endure. It's been a tough year already on Etsy for me and a lot of other shops. But if I'm going down, I'm going down swinging. So I hope this video has helped, and I wondered what you guys do when you see a dip in Etsy sales. Do you perhaps have a favourite place to promote your items, or any tactics to get more exposure on social media? Leave me a comment and we'll discuss it next week. I hope you keep crushing it until then, and I'll see you in the next one.